Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and today I will show you how to perform the region-specific forest loss and forest gain analysis using Earth Engine. So let's get started. So to perform the region-specific forest cover or forest gain and forest loss analysis, we have to first to load our country's boundary layer into Earth Engine. So to load our country's boundary layer into Earth Engine, we have to define a variable called countries equals to feature collection United States of Department of State large scale international boundary and simple 2017. So this specific code inserts our country's boundary layer into Earth Engine. So to next is we have to filter with a specific country name. So we're going to perform the region specific forest loss and gain analysis. So for that we have to filter with a specific country name. So we have first filter with a specific country name. We have to define a variable called India countries dot filter dot eq country with a specific country name, that is India. So next we have to import our tree cover data into Earth Engine. So to import our tree cover data into Earth Engine, we have to set a variable called tree cover 2014. So image. So this is the Hansen data, that is our Global Forest Change 2014 data. So to import this Global Forest Change, that is our forest data, into Earth Engine, we have to define a variable called tree cover 2014 image with a specific code for that data. So next we are going to perform the forest loss and forest gain analysis. So for that we have defined a variable called loss, refers to forest loss, equals to tree cover 2014 dot select loss. So from that data, that is our Hansen data, we are referring to this variable called tree cover 2014. So from that we are selecting specifically the losses, the loss of the forest cover or the tree cover. So for that we are using variable called loss tree cover 2014 refers to this variable, and from that we are selecting the loss, only the loss data. So we are selecting the loss, and next we are to see our gain data. So for to view the gain data, the forest gain or the tree cover gain, we have to define a variable called gain equals to tree cover 2014 referring to this data, that is our Hansen data, the forest cover data. So we are selecting specifically dot select the gain data, the forest gain or the tree gain. So in this we are seeing the forest loss or the tree loss or the forest gain or the tree gain. So next we have to we're going to add our loss layer in red. So we are giving our loss layer in red. So to do that we have to define a map.add layer loss.clip. So we are referring to the loss. So loss.clip with our study area, that is our India. We are using in this case we are using India, and dot update mask loss. So just we are updating our file, updating our loss data to our existing layer, the loss layer, and we are selecting the specific color palettes, like we are selecting the loss data, the loss for loss of forest, it is shown in the red color, and output the layer name as forest loss. And similarly to add the gain layer, we are defined in the blue color. So to do that in blue color, to show the gain layer in blue color, we define map.add layer gain clip. So we are clipping with our study area here, this specific country India, and then dot update mask. So we are just updating our layer. So to update our layer we are using dot update mask gain data, that is our gain. So here, and similarly we are set our color palettes, that is for our layer, the gain layer, we are setting our color palette as blue, and output the layer name as forest gain. So next we are defining this particular layer, define the color palette for our country boundary layer. So this layer refers to the loss layer, that is defined in red color, and the gain layer, the forest gain layer, that is defined in blue color. So for our country boundary layer we define map.add layer image referring to our image.paint and referring to our study area India, and with we are using a specific size for the boundary thickness, we are using 1, and the color palette for our country boundary layer as a black, and output the layer name as India. So at last we're going to center and set a specific zoom level for our layer. So for that we define map dot center object India 4. 4 refers to the zoom level. So now let us run this code. Go to the option called run script, click run script. So now let us view our layers. So we have 3 different layers. One layer refers to our country boundary layer. Second layer refers to the forest gain, that is been shown in the blue color, and third layer is forest loss, that will be shown in the red color. So let me show you that. So you can clearly able to view that our country. So now you can clearly able to view that our country boundary layers, it is shown in black color. So we have defined here as you can see. So our country boundary layer, we have set our boundary layer thickness, color palette, the color scheme as black color, and output the layer as India. And similarly, let me zoom in. So now the data is being loading into our Google Earth Engine. So now let us view to this particular area. So we have Meghalaya and Nagaland. So you can clearly able to view that the red color indicates the forest loss, and similarly here the blue color indicates, let me the data is being loaded, it's loading and loading. So we have 3 different layers study. There is a country boundary, forest gain, and forest loss. So you can clearly able to view that the red color indicates the forest loss, and the blue color here indicates the forest gain. So let me show you this particular region. So you can able to clearly view that the red indicates the forest loss and blue indicates the forest gain. Let me zoom in. So now you can able to clearly view that the red indicates the loss and the blue indicates the gain. So now we can able to view that. Let me turn this off. Let me turn off the forest gain. So this is for deforestation that has happened in this particular study area, and let me show you the gain. So this is the forest gain. Now let me turn on the forest loss. So you can able to clearly view that the forest loss is very high compared to the gain. Now let me check out another part of this study area. So now let us view in this particular area. Let me zoom in. So you can clearly able to view that. So red color indicates the forest loss. So the red indicates the forest loss and the blue indicates the forest gain. So you can clearly able to view here the forest loss is high compared to the forest gain. So in this video we have shown how to perform the forest loss and forest gain analysis using our Hansen data. So in this we have specifically performed our forest loss and forest gain for this India as our study area. So it's a region specific forest loss and forest gain analysis. So we have seen how to load the countries layer and how to import our tree cover data, that is Hansen data, and how to view our forest loss and forest gain, or the forest that is tree loss or tree gain in Google Earth Engine. So for the forest loss we defined in red color, and forest loss we had shown in the blue color. So at last we set our zoom level. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and give us a like.